So, how many chapters have we completed? Eight. Namely, what are but name? Real numbers, polynomials, linear equations, quadratic, AP, triangles, coordinate, trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry. Okay? Total 8 chapters have been completed.
New guest, sir. Not a guest, student.
Oh, not at all shocking. Sit. Here. As if he's CM son. Okay, now we are going to start with one more concept of geometry. Okay, so a pretty simple, easy chapter. Okay, you have hardly overall 15 questions in the chapter.
15.
Second exercise 11 questions in Bolu. 13, yeah. Second exercise again. So hardly you people have 17 questions. Okay, along with some proof and few examples. So in this class, we shall be starting with the first part of this chapter. So, what do you people know about what's that?
Someone's game.
Class attend ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You'll get it from me. Okay. The chapter is titled as circles. What do you people know about circles?
It has no
One by one. There is something called as discipline in the class. Everyone have 2 hands, one of which can be raised.
Collection of points is called circles.
What?
Collection of points is called circles.
Oh, I was not aware of this.
Sir, it is a curve figure. One face.
Okay.
It is a curve.
Huh?
It is a curve.
Circle is a enclosed and which is enclosed and it has infinite number of points.
All other closed figures doesn't have infinite number of points. Okay. Rather, how can I phrase this as a circle is a closed polygon? Yes. In which each and every point makes an angle of 360 degrees. Okay, makes an angle of 360 degrees, and as per the sum angle property of a circle, what is the sum angle of a circle? 360. Okay, and at any particular point, if you draw a line for that point, it contributes to a tangent. Okay, so you people learned something called as a tangent somewhere else. Where was it? Trigonometry. Tan is called as tangent. Is that the same tangent? Yes. Yes. So it is the same tangent. As per our 10th standard trigonometry for 10th standard is only for a triangle. As in when you go for higher grades, like your first PU, second PU and all, trigonometry is expanded to the closed figure called as circles. Because in triangle it's only 180 degree. For a circle it is 360 degree. So overall you get a trigonometric ratios for a circle also. Considering that as the aspect, taking your tangent as your base and your radius as the perpendicular side, Yes, you can draw a radius from the center of the circle to a
Yes.
other end, right? So that is called a radius. So drawing a radius as your perpendicular side and the tangent as the base, when you connect them, you get an hypotenuse, right? This is a circle. Here there is a point. This is the radius. Okay? This is the tangent drawn to the point. Okay? So when you connect it like this, okay? So here there is a perpendicular. For this side, tangent becomes the base. This becomes the perpendicular side. So overall you can expand trigonometry for this also, right? Yes. Can't we? Yes, we can express it. So now we will start with the actual concept whatever is given in the syllabus for us. Okay? Shall we start over?
Sir, this is given, sir.
No. This is an extra information. Why the name tangent is given in trigonometry?
Trigonometry.
You should know no justification. Okay? You don't ask, but I should tell. It's my responsibility to tell. Record after here. Okay. So now, circles. Akidira, Edingu. Write down the first topic over here. Non-intersecting lines. Before that, write down this figure. Write down this figure. Write down this figure. I will write. Physics और मेरा भी compass होते जा रहा है इंस्टीट्यूट करेगा बोर्ड compass that line physics tangent is different. This is different.
Sir, no, sir, you said.
Oh, the idiot are running and put it now.
Sir, you said tangent is a straight line. Straight line, it's only touches one point.
Yes. I'll give you definitions for everything now. So a pretty raw part of the chapter we are handling now. Very definitions of concepts. So knowing these definitions, further sector and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ minor segment, major segment ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ. Without knowing what is a segment, you can't do that. So we will learn each and every terms and terminologies of the chapter out here, and then we will go for the concept. Okay? So this is point A, C, this is the point O, and this is the point B, which is the center of the circle. If you people have compass, please don't use compass. You can use it in your exam. Okay? Now, as of now, we will do it roughly. I can't give you time for doing all Rangoli, Chittar, or class. Okay. After this, the first definition, non-intersecting line. Minimize your eyes, I should maximize my eyes. You can't see?
Sir,
Four
long
is
sighted
making
message. Sir, long sighted message.
What is that? Called as
Sir,
Hypermetro.
hypermetro. No, that is hyperopia. Hypermetro ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಳೆ pronunciation. ಹೊಸ pronunciation, the word has been changed and it has become hyperopia. Myopia, hyperopia. Your books are old. Your books are old.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೈಪರೋಪಿಯಾ ಅಂತ
I have told you now, you can understand, right? Class. Non-intersecting lines. The line PQ and the circle have no common point. Yes? Yes, this is for the first figure A. The line PQ and the circle with the center at A doesn't have any common points. right? First figure, this one, doesn't has any common points. Okay? In this case, full stop you put. Next, in this case, comma, PQ is called the non-intersecting line. In this case, comma, PQ is called the non-intersecting line. Full stop. PQ is a non-intersecting line for a circle centered at A. PQ is a non-intersecting line for a circle centered at A. The diagram ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು definitions dictate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Diagram is there on the board. For a circle centered at A. Okay. Next definition is secant. Secant.
NP.
I have not pronounced that word only till today.
Sick.
Okay. Secant. You people were only telling sec theta, sec alpha, all those things, sec A, everything you people. I myself pronounced it in every class as secant. And you people used to call it as sin A, sin A. I used to tell it as sin. Okay? You people were there, no? That is the biggest sin in life you are doing. Okay? Secant. There are two common points. There are two common points. Each circle, only second circle. There are two common points. M and N. There are two common points M and N for the circle centered at B. Which is circle gap? There are two common points M and N.
Next step.
That the line PQ and the circle have. The line PQ and the circle have. Full stop. In this case, I have repeated already twice. In this case, comma, we can call the line PQ as secant. People actually pronounce this very wrongly in schools, calling it as sectant. Sectant anta keluvu karitare. That pronunciation doesn't match with the word at all. It is secant. PQ. In this case, we call the PQ line PQ as secant of the circle centered at B. Secant of the circle centered at B. Aita? और परिरेख नहीं पढ़े नहीं हमें कंप्लीट मार centered at B. Centered at B. Yeah. Next. I2 secant I2. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು? Tangent. Cotangent ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. Cotangent. Get out of my class first.
M and N.
Until and unless you have your last breath, you're not forgetting the standard angles, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, those relations, and even the ratios. ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟು ಕೇಳಿ 40 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೆಲ್
Sin square theta plus.
Oh, I don't want all this. Tangent. There is only one point. There is only one point which is common to the line PQ and the circle. There is only one point which is common to the line PQ and the circle.
Last year.
Common to the
Line into
to the
ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ದಿವಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ This is the 9th chapter we are doing. What will you write in those books? You will write your first PU, second PU notes over there. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅವನ ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ everyone proof over here, recording proof over here, he will be kicked out of the class for entire 1 month. Tangent. There is only one point which is common to the line PQ and the circle. Full stop. In this case, PQ, line PQ and the circle. And the circle.
Sir, that was like
In this case, comma, the line is called a tangent to the circle. In this case, the line is called a tangent to the circle.
So in this case,
line PQ line PQ is called the tangent to the circle centered at the point C.
and the circle.
Previous statement happened full stop. In this case, comma. I am giving the statements meaningful only. You people don't know English. In this case, the line PQ is called the tangent to the circle centered at C. Centered at C. Okay. Okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವ ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಊಟ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ Nonsense. Come back to the class.
Biology ka na.
Tangent to a circle.
So they asked this definition.
Sir, they will tell. This value is the tangent to the circle. ನೀವು tangent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ
ಸರ್ 2 ದಿನ 2 ಹೇಳಬೇಕಪ್ಪ
tangent
To us.
to a circle ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು
ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಏ ಹೌದು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಸ್
Grammatical.
ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು
Okay, sir, we'll support you. We'll give you extra spare 30 minutes.
Tangent to a circle is a line. Tangent to a circle is a line. Tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. Is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. Full stop. I repeated it thrice. Full stop. There is only one tangent. There is only one tangent to a circle at a point. There is only one tangent to a circle at a point. Full stop. The common point of the tangent of the tangent and the circle is called the point of contact. Is called the point of contact. Okay? There are three definitions in one definition only. Okay. The line PQ acts as a point of contact. That acts as the tangent question an example there is difference between the explaining and making sure. You do know this is called point of contact. You do know this is called point of contact.
The line is not the point of contact is when the radius meets the
the radius meets the tangent and that means there is a tangent made at that point at the tangent made at the point of contact. Please clarity sikta. Definition only. The line, the common point of tangent and the circle is called a point of contact. And the circle and that is nothing but radius only. Radius ಮತ್ತು tangent perpendicular ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
ಸರ್ ಹೇಗೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್
ಕ್ಯೂಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ನ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
PPT ಇದೆ full chapter with the solutions handwritten online class ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕದು
ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ
4
come back theorem chapter ಎಷ್ಟು
10
I'll read out this statement. Yes.
Yes.
Madam, come sit on the floor. Is this the statement? The tangent at any point of a circle perpendicular to the radius through a point of contact. First theorem, Milena. Write down the statement. Okay. Rather, I will erase these two columns. Then in the theorem prove after. Okay. First, see the theorem proof.
ಸರ್ theorem ಇದೆ ಸರ್
Diagram ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
erase ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಈ diagram ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first ಇದು. ಈ diagram ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Fine. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ proof ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. I'll stop wherever the boat stops. Okay. Wait everyone. ಇಲ್ಲ you people will prove it accordingly with me. ನಾನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ prove ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
Okay. Then listen to me prove first. No. ನೀನು ಬೇಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಬೇರೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? Okay. This theorem is named as this theorem is given the name as tangent of a circle. Okay? So, let me write the statement for the theorem. The tangent, write it simultaneously. Write it simultaneously. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ I will make you people pause and explain.
ಸರ್ ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಫಸ್ಟ್
So tangent to circle ಮತ್ತೆ
Tangent to a circle, this is definition. This is theorem.
ಎರಡು almost same.
ಓಕೆ
Radius ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವ tangent to a circle ನಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಕ್ಕ? Write down the statement. The tangent at any point of a circle. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಟ್ಟು ಬೋಲ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಎಸ್ಪಿಟಿಂಗ್
The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. This is what is the definition. Diagram ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ please. I'll give a different diagram. I mean different ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು diagram ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
Yes. Yes. 10 marks. Maximum is 5 marker questions. That's it.
3 marks.
Sir, ನಾವು 2 marks ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸಾಕು 2 marks ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
3 marks.
I will start proving now. Listen. ಏನಪ್ಪ
Same that.
alphabets ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ
Same values also. R extra ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡು.
This my with my explanation no one is bothering, so better zip your mouth and given. What is given?
O is the center.
A circle with.
Sir, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ given ಬರೀತಾರೆ.
Will you people just write without discussing? ಅಲ್ಲಿ NCERT ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ why am I here? Close your NCERT books. That is why I tell examples ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ theorems ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ. Close your NCERT books. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಶನ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕೇನೋ? Where will you be lost? I don't know. And I'm not like others. Would your last go watch your face at the Okay. A circle with center at O. And tangent
P. XY.
tangent xy. Okay. At the point P. Mata, this is a point of contact. Okay? Yeah. On the other side.
Sir, ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
To prove. OP is perpendicular to xy. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ?
Tangent to the
Circle centered. Circle with centered.
Circle set.
Sir, that given no sir.
Circle centered at O.
Sir,
Hmm.
that is given no sir.
That is the thing which we are supposed to prove, sir. Okay. Okay. Next construction. But what are you digging out? Correction of the Take any point Q take any point Q other than P. Other than P on the tangent. X, Y and join OQ. Join OQ. Right up. Next. After this, we'll start with the proof. Proof. Okay. In the statement, put to the range, Q is a point outside the circle tangent. Do people want me to give?
Yes, sir.
Seriously want you to get confused by writing that statement? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
No,
Let
sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು skip ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Let OQ intersect the circle. The circle at OQ intersects the circle at OQ intersects the circle at Nonsense.
I said R on this.
So since OP and OR both are the radius of the circle, they are equal. OP and OR are the radius of the circle, so they are equal. They are the radii. Radii is called the plural form of the radius.
Yes, sir. The
Okay.
radii of a circle.
Okay. Now I can write. What can I write? OR as OQ as OR plus
RQ.
RQ. OR plus RQ. Hold up. So, but OQ is greater than OR. The length of OQ is greater than length of OR. This is greater than this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, also, if OR is a OP active, OQ is greater than OP. ಇಲ್ಲಿ OR OP ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ OP ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋದಾ OR ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ OR ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ OP ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ
ನಾನು ಇದರ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ go for imagination. Therefore, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್ OP is the shortest distance. Shortest distance to the tangent centered at O. Right up. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to XY. Okay. So, perpendicular distance is always the shortest distance. Is always the shortest distance. Okay. How can I tell perpendicular distance is the shortest distance?
90 degree.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗಿಂದ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
So perpendicular ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ it is the shortest distance. ಹೀಗೆ ನಾನು ಬಾರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay. But perpendicular distance is the shortest distance. So OP perpendicular to XY.
ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Shortest distance.
This is theorem, sir. Right, sir.
Return, sir.
Theorem
3 marks you want.
Easy 3 marks are set.
I got for 3 marks.
School studies.
First test.
Okay, done. Done. After this, write down few note points.
ಸರ್ ಅಜೆಂಟಿವ್
ಅದೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ I'll give you note points.
ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಠ ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪಾಠ?
ಸರಿ
ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು?
Sir, basically we can say that the line the radius which is perpendicular
ಅದರ theorem ಎಲ್ಲ. Statement ಇದೆ, theorem statement. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಊರಿಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ? ಏನೀಗ?
ಸರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
Triangle
ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್
Of course, sir. Yes. ನೀನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
Is the pencil?
By the theorem, by theorem above, note only first note. Note only first point. By the theorem above, comma,
ಥಿಯರಮ್
By the theorem
by the theorem above, please don't spoil English. Okay?
So it is also.
How many of you call? How do you people pronounce this letter?
H.
H.
Please.
ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್
Horse.
Sir,
Horse.
Sir, what about helicopter?
Okay. By theorem above, comma, we can also conclude that at any point on a circle, there can be one and only one tangent. We can also conclude that at any point on a circle, it's not plural, it's single. Any point on a circle, there can be one and only one. There can be one and only one tangent. Okay? It's a unique point. Tangent drawn to a circle is a unique thing. Okay? Huh? At the same point, you can't do two tangents. You can draw infinite number of tangents to a circle, but at the same point, you can't.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, two tangents intersect ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Fine. Okay. Further, next note point ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The last fourth note point. Note point. Second note point. The line containing the radius. Containing the radius.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು
The line containing the radius through the point of contact. You want me to pronounce so horribly?
Yes, sir.
The line containing the radius through the point of contact is also sometimes called the normal. You people know something called as normal in the physics?
Yes, angle of incidence.
ಸಾಕು ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Perpendicular.
It's sometimes called normal. Sometimes called normal to the circle at the point. To the circle at the point. Bariri. To the circle at the point. Exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Next count number one.
Very third to fourth.
Third fourth ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
1 second ಆಯ್ತು.
Half second.
ಆಯ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ
ಅದೇ
ನೀನು ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಗಿತ.
half minutes.
Last
Half minute. Half an hour. 30 seconds.
ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Exercise
10.1.
Irrespective of it, my mic is working. You people can hear. Exercise 10.1.
I cannot see.
I'm not writing anything on the board. Exercise 10.1. I'll read out the question. You people tell the answer. Okay. How many tangents can a circle have?
Infinite.
Sorry, infinite. Sorry, point of
Question ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ವಾ? How many tangents can a circle have?
Infinite.
Come to fill in the blank second mean. A tangent to a circle intersects in dash points.
1 point.
In 1 point. ಬರೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
1 point.
ಬರೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Can we have the tables and share out?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸಾಕು. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬರೀ. ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Sit men.
Sir, I thought it would be different. Infinite number.
ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಏನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಈಗರ್ ಆಗಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ಯಾ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ತೆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
function, but
ಇದು ಮದುವೆಯಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು.
sir, ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ sir.
ಹಿಂಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓ ಇವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. The line intersects the circle in 2 points
Secret.
is called as
Secant.
secant. A circle can have ಬರೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
2 parallel lines.
ಬರೀರಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ.
Example
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರ ಬರೀರಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಬರೀರಿ.
ಬಂತು ಸರ್ 25. Exercise. ಸರ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಸರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
ನೀನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಕದೆ.
ನನಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅದು ಯಾರು?
First one is
Infinite.
Infinite.
second one for sub question.
1.
Second.
Secant. 2. Sir, insert 2.
How, sir, 2?
2 parallel tangents.
Sir, because
How?
Parallel.
Parallel for a circle. It can be only two at the same point.
Intersecting. Oh, sir. Sir, side ways. Oh.
That becomes secant. Done.
Yes.
Next.
Oh.
Fourth one. Wait. I want people to tell whose school has not done the lesson. The common point of a tangent in the circle and the circle. Tangent to a circle and the circle is called school alagi.
Yes, sir.
Point. Okay. Aita. We'll go for the third question.
Yes.
Diagram vidya.
No, sir.
ಬರೀರಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರ್ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು?
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ವಾ
ಸರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಯಾವ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ
ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡನ್. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡನ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸರ್
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡು. Question number 3.
Sir, you give some time, sir.
What is that?
To copy the question.
ನಾನು ಬರ್ದೈ
A tangent PQ of a point B of a circle, radius of 5 cm meets the line through the sector O at the point Q, so that the OQ is 12 centimeters and the length of PQ is. This is a MCQ based question, children. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಾರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್ 5 minutes
MCQ
and then 2 minutes
1 minute
190
45 seconds for you to solve, 10 seconds for you to read, 5 seconds for you to write the answers. Total 60 seconds. Good ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is how MCQ should be solved. ನೀ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನೋ ಅಂತ. This they have not taught.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್
ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್
Circle, if it doesn't look like circle, don't worry.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
It looks like your face, that's it. We know the line, the point made by the point of contact and the tangent, tangent and the radius is perpendicular, 90 degree. They have given the radius as 5 centimeters. They have given this as P, this as Q, and they have given the hypotenuse as 12 centimeters, isn't it?
30.
Alva. Hypotenuse 12 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಇದೇನು?
ಏನು 13
PQ, but ಆಗಲ್ಲ 144.
If it is 12 over here, then that is 30.
Hypotenuse is greater.
So, PQ square is equal to
Sir,
OQ square minus OB square.
sir MCQ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ sir.
MCQ sir. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಸರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಲೆ
ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್
ನಿನಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1+1 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಸರ್
ನೀನೆ
ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ದೆ ಸರ್
Eleven.
OQ square, that is 12 square. What is 12 square?
144.
Minus what is 5 square? Root
119.
ಸರ್
What is
ಆನ್ಸರ್ 190
D.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್
ಅದು option.
draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is a tangent and the other is a secant to a circle. Very simple. Next theorem start ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Sir, mark ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Sir, something happened.
ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು. ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು.
Mark sir ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. Sir,
Mark
ನಿನ್ನೆ
ಮೇಲೆ
storage
ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
sir storage ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೇನೋ ಬಂತು sir.
ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
ಮುಗ್ದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗದ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗಿದೆ?
ಅವನು ಸರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಅವನೇ ಮುಗ್ದಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಸಿದ್ದ
ಯಾಕೋ?
Okay, very simple. There is a circle. We have to write 3 lines parallel. This is center at O.
2 lines par.
3.
2 lines.
3
To a given line such as.
Draw a 2 lines parallel.
2 lines.
I will write 3 only.
So
Why, sir?
That's ಇಷ್ಟ.
We won't give marks. We won't. I mean, they won't give marks. They won't give marks.
Sir, pass ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. This is a tangent PQ. Okay. Sorry. This is a secant XY.
Second.
Secant, sorry.
What is
And this is one more line.
Sir, you only said.
So what is second?
ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂಗೆ.
You are
AB.
teachers, sir.
Okay. All these lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Data. So PQ is tangent. XY is
Thanks,
secant.
Tangent.
AB is line parallel.
Tangent.
Sir, thanks.
So ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ
ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಹೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ